Starting with crypto can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategy, you can succeed. Key tips: 1. Stick to a plan, avoid emotional decisions and use a structured approach. Protect your capital and set realistic targets. 2. Risk management: be cautious with stop-loss orders in volatile markets, temporary fluctuations might recover. 3. Stay informed, keep up with news, but avoid following hype. Focus on solid projects and avoid FOMO. 4. Minimize fees, use SEPA transfers and compare withdrawal fees across exchanges. 5. Security first, always use two-factor authentication, store assets in a personal wallet like the Ledger Nano X, not on exchanges. 6. Verify transactions, always double-check crypto addresses before sending. A small test transaction can save you from costly mistakes. Start smart and trade with confidence. For more strategies, visit CryptoFlowZone.com and get the right tools for your crypto journey.